Good afternoon. Construction at the Children's Hospital of San Antonio comes to an abrupt halt.
Human remains were found during recent construction work. Eyewitness News reporter Karen Grace has more on this unexpected delay.
The early settlers of San Antonio are buried there. So we're talking about mayors were buried there, former mayors of San Antonio, American Indians, Canary Islanders, Mexican soldiers.
Ramon Vasquez of American Indians in Texas says even his own ancestors are buried here. He was one of several local descendant groups that worked tirelessly to halt construction and stop the relocation of human remains of early settlers discovered at the Children's Hospital of San Antonio.
Well, we're one of the organizations that approached the hospital and reconsider what they were doing.
The remains were unearthed in September 2016 during construction of a prayer garden, but Vasquez says it's been known for much longer that thousands of bodies are buried there.
There's over 3,000 people buried there.
Right now?
Well, according to the records.
Hospital officials, in accordance with the Catholic Church, plan to exhume and move the remains. Last spring, a court order allowed the bones to be taken to Sunset Memorial. Vasquez and other descendants, though, were not having it.
How a sewer pipe was laid on top of a body. So under the sewer pipe, you see the skeletal remains of someone.
But that court order was put on hold, and today hospital spokeswoman Melissa Krause says, quote, the court-ordered removal of remains continues to be paused. The trenches have been covered with light sand. The hospital is exploring a prayer garden redesign that would not require removal of the remains. Karen Grace, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
Now, the hospital says once the redesigned prayer garden plans are received, they'll share it with the descendants for their approval.